Hey everyone, want to share just a little thought process here of something that I read recently. So many of you know, or you can check my profile. I used to be a CPA by profession, public accountant. I still get their magazines, etc. Recently they had an article about inclusion and hiring, in the workplace. And of course, I'm all for inclusion. Uh, you know, all all stripes of it, whatever it looks like. But there was one omission that I found puzzling when they were talking about inclusion in this article. It was the older generation, the people 50 plus, 55 plus, who are still active, who still want to work, who still want to contribute. They were completely absent. So while again, I'm all for inclusion of all sorts, we can't leave out a huge group of people who are over a certain age. Again, I'm all about longevity, healthy living, anti-aging, if you will. Actually, reversing the effects of aging is what I'm really all about. So I just want to make this clear, to everyone, to you personally, and to you, hiring managers and people on inclusion, diversity, inclusion committees, etc. You cannot talk about the older worker as well. So one things that I'm really happy to promote and really excited about is my group coaching program, which is 5 steps to reverse the effects of aging. So if you're in that demographic, I mean, you could be younger as well, but if you're in that demographic where you're starting to think you're maybe getting passed by for promotions, or the younger generation is getting preferential treatment, etc. Hey, first of all, you need to do it for yourself. You need to do it for your health and your family. But there is a role that feeling younger, looking younger, acting younger can play in the workplace as well. Not to mention your own productivity and cognitive function as well. So again, not to be a promo for my upcoming workshops necessarily, but I just really wanted to make a point that I was just a bit shocked actually that a huge demographic, the older 50, 55 plus worker, regardless of gender, regardless of skin color, etc., was totally excluded from this article on inclusion. So that's my little piece for today. Remember, people, you can take charge of your own life, your own health. Regardless of how old you are, you can improve your performance, improve your cognition, improve your relationships, body composition, sleep, energy levels, etc. Be and feel and act younger at work, and those opportunities will still present themselves. Cheers.